Hi guys, my name is Vibhor and today I am going to show you how to create a calendar table in Power BI using DAX in 10 seconds. So I have created a code and I have you will get the link to this code in the description box. What you have to do is just copy this whole thing and in your Power BI data tab, just click on new table and instead of table just paste this code and press enter. So see, this is how easy it is to create a calendar table using DAX. So you can use this pre-built code and you will generate the whole thing for so here I have used it for the current year. Okay, and you can make changes to it depending on where you want this to be. Okay, so since how long you want this calendar to be, and you can easily join this calendar with any of the date field within your data model. So I will just use it to connect to the test date. Okay, so this is all for this video. Please like and subscribe and share as well. Thank you so much.